Hello. It's Carla.
Hello.
Are we anywhere interesting today?
Just thought we'd take a general walk.
Just a normal walk.
Yeah.
So this is just Toronto, out in Toronto for a walk. And with this, just happened to stumble across it. Who knew? Apparently this waterfall is quite famous.
Apparently so.
We're going to go check out the observation deck. And we're at Niagara Falls for the day. So, it's not that cold, but the snow is not nice here. It's
wet and slushy.
Yeah, it's horrible snow there. So we're going to go to the observation deck. All the trees are white and snowy and everything's snowy. It looks amazing. Looks really cool. So let's have a little look over here. We're spending the whole day at Niagara Falls. We're going to a winery, going up a tower.
Slippery on the side.
Slippery on the side. So let's have a little look over the edge. I reckon the number is a bit bigger than you'd think. Now we'll go to the observation. I don't know. Hold on, let me have a look.
Falls move to your right. So those are the American Falls.
Okay, sorry guys. There you go.
Scary at the You're all pale and pasty.
I'm pale and pasty.
God, we look so white. So, should we turn it around to see if we just got to the top of the tower? I don't know how well it is because the bars throw it off a little bit. The top of the sky tower, checking out. This is what they do if you can't go on the boat. You go up here and then you can check out the falls from the top of the sky tower. So you have a little lift. So it's like right there.
There is America.
There's America right there, which we'll be going to tomorrow. We're going to New York. In fact, that state right there we're going to. We haven't gone here though. We'll be doing the Empire State Building and it's really pretty and all that stuff. But we're in Niagara Falls for today. It actually look really nice. I think I look quite this light. Look. Coffee breath on my face now. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go get some food.
Yeah, I'm starving. No time for breakfast.
Okay. Well, I had a granola yogurt.
Yeah, I had a smoothie. Didn't touch the sides.
So she had more than me. She had bananas.
Yeah, so the guy had a burger, flipping chips and pizza last night for dinner and cookies. Yeah.
Did I have a burger? No, I had an egg McMuffin.
All right. Sorry. Egg McMuffin.
And the cookies were good. The egg McMuffin was meh. I wanted the veggie burger. You know, McDonald's in America don't do veggie burgers. So yeah, let's go find some food. Then we're gonna go explore this a bit closer up. So it's just awesome. And we're gonna probably come back in the summer and do the boat tour, but not this summer because we got wedding and kids and all this cool stuff. Oh, got the blue eyes again. Ah.
Cha-cheese.
You wanna look at your eyes?
Not really.
Look. Yeah, there you go. Look at the camera on the left. Look into the camera. There you go. You dork. Alright, let's go downstairs, get some food, get close to the falls again.
So I put it all on black.
Just kind of. Right at the bottom, you can see them.
I like this bit where the spring comes down.
Yeah, that's the best bit.
Salty or fresh?
No, it's fresh. This is all fresh water. Alright, here we go. God, if I dropped my phone, I would cry.
Oh my god.
Some nachos.
Maybe you can take a picture of me.
Body shop. Ooh. It's like an old English colonial war town. So that's where we stopped on our journey around Niagara Falls. It's an old English folk town
Yeah.
where it's like all the Civil War stuff.
George, somebody saved them all.
George, St. George, he fought a dragon here and he won and the dragon lost. So they would have you believe. So yeah, we're in this little town. This is one of the last stops before we go to the winery and then we head back.
The best bit.
So when Carla wants to buy a bottle of wine, which is probably why she got this lunchbox. So now she can excuse herself getting a wine, I reckon.
Anyway, are we going to go over?
Yeah, we need to go see the Christmas thing. So, oof. There's a shop over here that says Christmas every day or something like that. So we're going to cross over and go check it out. And then we're going to head over to the winery. So it's beautiful here. It's awesome. And it's still snowing. It's been snowing all day. It's never stopped snowing in this living country. It's great. So, on to the Christmas store and then the winery. Say bye again.
Bye again.
That table is Tony and his friends. This table is D.
I'm recording your face. Need an ending video so I can edit today's. So.
You don't want to do anything else otherwise than zoom in my face? You don't want to talk about the falls or no?
You can talk about the falls. Go. Interview.
No.
Interview. 20 seconds with Carla. With Carla Rollison. Interview. Go. So, how'd you feel playing for the new facial team? Is it true you had an affair?
Get your head off my pillow. Off. Off. Soaking.
It's not soaking.
Yes, it is.
So yeah, I went to Niagara Falls today. Carla's
It's like Niagara Falls.
Carla's moody because she's hungry and can't be asked to go get herself food because she's a child. So that's what children do. So there she is. What are we doing tomorrow?
Going to New York.
Going to New York. Could she sound more excited?
Maybe you'll get more food there.
She get right. If you
All
are
we've had all
if,
day is nachos. Nachos, that's it.
if you
Oh
are
no,
hungry,
he'll happily eat the Hershey's bar because he's not hungry.
I'm not eating the Hershey's bar though. And if you were hungry, wouldn't you go get food?
No, I'd want my loving other half to come with me because it's a big city and I've got to go in a crazy place where all the people are on my own.
It's downstairs.
not
It's
downstairs, out
it's
the
right
hotel.
downstairs.
Out the
You
hotel.
can walk. It's like a 10-second walk.
I could get
Go get a fucking
beaten
pizza.
up. I don't want a fucking pizza.
Then go get your
No,
noodles.
come with me then.
I'm not hungry.
Right? Is it all about you, is it?
Why didn't you say this before I got in the
I
bar?
said we went down, I might as well get the noodles while we're down. And you went, what? You want them now? What? You want
Then
them
I
now?
said I
Now?
wasn't
Wait a minute,
eating.
You know, we'll just go downstairs if you need them.
But then I said I wasn't eating, so I'm not eating either.
Right? Well, normally
So do you want to eat?
I want noodles.
Well then let's go downstairs and get you some noodles. Alright, so we're going downstairs to get some noodles. Because she's a fucking child. How's she gonna go into New York? Anyway, we're going to New York tomorrow.
I don't want to go to New York. I like the Rockies where it's all nice and nice, quiet people.
You don't want to go to New York?
No, I do want to go.
She doesn't want to go?
But not as much.
So, if anyone out there wants to come with me to New York, then you can come with me to New York. So, that's fine. Carla doesn't want to come anymore. So, I'm taking requests. You've just got to call me by the end. And you're more than welcome to fill her space. Just be fun. And you got to actually like and want to go to New York. Get off my butt. Ow. Alright. Say bye. Dick.